मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Hello friends, it's chapter number 20 in the world of stars. Question number 1, write the proper words in the blanks. Into bracket, meridian, horizon, 12, 9, apparent, celestial, ecliptic. A. When seen from a great distance, the sky seems to be touching the ground along a circle. This circle is called the dash dash dash. Horizon. Horizon means the line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. B. The dash 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 is used while defining the zodiac signs. Ecliptic. Okay, B. The ecliptic is used while defining the zodiac signs. C. Classified according to seasons. One season will have dash 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 nakshatras. 9. C. Classified according to seasons. One season will have 9 nakshatras. D. The rising of the sun in the east and its setting in the west is the dash 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 motion of sun. Apparent. D. The rising of the sun in the east and its setting in the west is the apparent motion of the sun. Question number 2. A star rises at 8 p.m. tonight. At what time will it rise after a month? Why? Answer. The star makes a complete circle in 4 minutes, less time than the sun. So, if a star rises at 8 p.m. on the some day, after a month it will rise 4 minutes into 30 days, that is 1 month equals to 120 minutes, that is 2 hours earlier. So if tonight the star rises at 8 p.m. then it will rise at 6 p.m. after 1 month. Question number 3. What is meant by the sun enters a nakshatra? It is said that in the rainy season the sun enters the Mruga nakshatra. Answer. As per astrology, whole universe is divided into 27 nakshatras around earth. In 360-degree constellation or nakshatra is present behind the sun, which gets hidden because of the bright sunlight. Third, when we see the sky, we are seeing both the sun and the constellation behind it. As we feel like sun is moving around us due to relative motion, it assumes that sun is moving from one nakshatra to another. 4. As Earth changes position, it appears to an observer on Earth as if the Sun has moved from its position and is entering a new constellation or nakshatra. The sun entering the Mruga nakshatra in rainy season means that Mruga nakshatra or Orion is behind the sun. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. What is constellation? Answer. 1. The name given to a group of stars is known as constellation. It forms certain pattern. Sometimes this pattern is imaginary. When the sky is clear, these stars can be seen from Earth without the use of a telescope. 3. There are 88 named constellations. They make forms including mythological creatures, animals, people, and objects. B. What points should be considered before a sky watch? Answer. The points that should be considered before a sky watch. 1. Proper arrangement of equipments like binocular and telescope should be arranged. Clear cloud, free sky. 3. Sky watching should be away from the city and far as possible. It should be a new moon night. 4. Watching sky should be begin from west side as the stars set early west side. C. Is it wrong to say that the planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life? Why? Answer. There are no any evidence supporting astrology or any of its related to it. Astrology is just another superstition that pretends to help people live. There would certainly be wrong to say that planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life. 3. It would certainly be wrong to say that planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life. Science, as we know, does not follow beliefs but has its basis on observations and evidences. 4. Thus it has rejected the thoughts and beliefs of many that the planets, stars and nakshatras affect human life. Question number 5. Write a paragraph on the birth and life cycle of stars using the figure given below. Figure. Answer. Nebula. It is the birthplace of stars, which is made up of gas and dust. From this nebula, various forms of stars are formed. Massive stars, whose size is much greater and some are smaller than the sun. Red giants. They are red in color. These stars do not have as hot outer layer as that of the sun, with temperature from 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius. Supernova. They are larger and even brighter as compared to the red giant stars and even the sun. They are considered as the primary source of heavy elements in the universe. Binary or twin stars. It is a pair of stars in which one revolves around the other, or they both revolve around a common center, is known as binary or twin stars. Variable stars. These stars have a variable shape and brightness. That is, it keeps on changing whenever they expand or contract. Example, Polaris or Pole Star.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत। जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ। आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा।